Today, we're going to be talking about another hustle a lot of entrepreneurs or side hustle people use, which is stock trading. And in the game of stocks, it's very risky. There's always a lot of things going on. It's obviously a huge market, and some people choose to go into it in different levels. This company called Uptrends.ai attempts to give a user an edge by helping them to define what the stock is doing as far as trending. Trending is an important part of a company. If a company has a lot of positive news, it's likely that it's going to go up. It's not guaranteed that it's going to go up. And this company is claiming that they're using AI software to be able to give somebody a heads up to what is trending. So we have here Uptrends.ai, and it says uncover trending stocks, where investors find exploding stocks in online chatter. So what they propose to do is to give you a heads up of which ones are being talked about in a positive or negative manner. And again, sometimes depending on the stock, if there's a lot of positive talk on it, the chances are that that stock is going to be going up. Now, I'm not really sure if this company is using AI to accomplish this, since it could just be some form of scraping, but whatever the method that they use is they provide what they claim to be a very reliable data. They claim that there's 5,000 plus US stocks monitored and over 2 million posts analyzed in a month. It's a lot of information they're going through. So let's go ahead and jump in. I went ahead and created an account. They do try to push you for an upgrade account, which is roughly about $10. This one is free, and this is the one I chose to jump into. It does give us some information here on the left-hand side for stocks that are trending. And on the trending side, it gives us all of these stocks that are the Independent Bank Group, and a bunch of these other ones. And as you can see here, it gives us a new sentiment that is either neutral or bullish or slightly bearish or very bearish, which just means it's not anticipating a lot of movement, or it'll go down or stay where it's at. The bullish is an indicator that it's going to go a lot of positive sentiment, I should say. Not that it's going to be going up, but they assume that it has a lot of positive sentiment. So I'm going to test it out by using one that is obviously super popular, which is the NVIDIA one. And I'm going to see what it gives us regarding this. It is a little bit on the slow side, but it's going to give us some information here for NVIDIA. Again, it is running a little bit slow, and as you could see, it's not really even giving me the option to click through till finally it pops up. Okay, so we have NVIDIA that is currently $942. It's up 20% as of the last 3 months. It's 19.52%. This week it's down less than 1%. The last month it's up 14%. Now this is a very hot stock due to the fact that there's a lot of talk. And now it's automatically telling us here that it's very bullish, that there's a lot of people talking about it. It tells us that on Yahoo, there's 356 mentions. On investing.com, there's 71 mentions. On Zack.com, there's 67 mentions, a total mention of 751. And it's expected to go up, according to this, that it's very bullish. So this is one of the stocks that we're looking at. Another one we could possibly trend on would be let's go check out Tesla and see what it's telling us about that. Okay, I'm clicking on Tesla, and it's going to take a little bit of time because the previous one took a little bit of time, if it even gets us there. When something like this happens to the site, it's usually a indicator to give us a little bit of a question to why it's running so slow. But anyways, it's telling us that Tesla is very bearish, that it has 2,244 mentions, 924 on Yahoo, Finance Yahoo 290, and then it gives us some of these recent mentions here to let us know where it's pulling this data from. So it's definitely a useful tool. It's something that if you hustle in stocks, then it's something you might want to consider taking a look at. Again, this isn't for or against, but it's just letting you know the kind of tools that are out there on AI. Now, again, AI is a name that everyone is using, so sometimes you have to differentiate what's really using AI technology behind the scenes or what's just kind of jumping on the bandwagon of AI, to use that term. But I hope this helps for anyone that is doing stocks on the side.